Hello, how are you? I'm here to talk about how we can learn from open source projects. As you know, we start a code review platform, and I found some great friends that they are helping me to build and maintain this project. It's not completed yet, but we are working on it, and I'm decide to make some video about some issues that there are good first issue that which junior developers can work on it and learn something from them. So I will record a video about each issue, and I will talk about what you should to learn if you want to contribute, and how you should to do and what we need from that issue. Okay, so let's start for first one where I am. Okay. Uh, we have a disable login and register with email. Uh, we decide to only support GitHub login when going down. Okay, it's fixed. We decide to only support GitHub login. We will implement GitLab in future, but for now, just GitHub. And I should to show you first. There is a codereviewpals.com. It's our website. And as you see, there is a login and register up there. Okay, I'm moving myself. Okay, as you see, there is login and register things up there. So we want to remove fully this registration with email. As you see, there's email, password, and things. We want to remove this. Also, in login page, we have a login with GitHub. I want to even remove this page, and for now, when someone clicked on login, I want you to make some not that UI here, and make a GitHub logo and told user to log in with GitHub. And when you're clicking here, you will log in with your GitHub account. I'm logged in before, so it will not redirect me to the GitHub. But for the first time, you will redirect to the GitHub, then you will back to the site. This is a dashboard. It's not completed yet. And so you know what we want to do. So remove register and login page and make a little bit better login page. Only login with GitHub. Okay. Let me show you some code where you should to change and what you should to learn from this issue. As you know, we made this by Laravel Breeze. You can see the previous video. I will point this in top in here. It's easy. You will just run a command in Laravel and it will make some UI things and authentication things for your application. So there is a bunch of stuff. And you can see if you have a Git, you can see by the commits, and you can find where we use that command and Breeze here. You can find in the commits. But I will show you also, there's a pull request for that. In pull requests, you can find and close. You can see there's a feature Breeze and React installation, and you can see what file changed, and you can check these files. You don't need to change all of these files, but we want you to remove useless data. If you remove any ability, you must to remove the function that belongs to that ability or files that belongs to. So you must to search where files and which files you must to delete and edit. Please change little as you can. Do not make a huge change in the project. So I will attach the link of this pull request in the issue, and you can see these files. What you should to learn in this issue is you must to understand the authentication of the Laravel, and also how Breeze works and which file will include in our project. Also, it will be good if you take a little bit knowledge of how logging with GitHub works. I will tell you, you must to have env here. You must to have these three env keyboard key in your env, and you must to fill them from the GitHub to log in with GitHub works. You can set it up in your local host. I can help you if you need any help. If you need anything, please mention me on the issue and I will talk with you about it. So about what prefer to edit, it's you must to take care about this web.php. There is included the auth.php here required, and you must to take a look at this auth.php. There is some bunch of roads that we don't need them. One of them is register and forget password and reset password and verify email. We don't need these things, and you must to remove the controller if it's invocable controller for each of these roads. And if there is not invocable controller like this, confirm password, like show, you must only remove the function, not the whole of the controller. But I think in this file, we only need the logout, and we need auth redirect and auth callback. We need these three roads here. If you install Git Lens in your VS Code, you can see who made the change on the line that you selected. You see Vasily made this authentication for GitHub, and you can see how it's worked. It's used Socialite, and you can check those package. It's okay. It's about how you should do. I mean, which things you should to learn and how you should to check the code and where you should to change. But about how to contribute is you must to pick the issue for yourself, like this issue. First, you must to assign it to yourself. Then you must to create a branch here. Name it. You can use this branch name or add a feature like this in the add a feature prefix. And it's better to create a branch, and after you done everything and it's ready to push, or you need any help to review your code and talk about something in code, you can commit your change and open a pull request. How you can open a pull request, I will show you. I'm working on a feature about the CRUD for repository, businessman scenario, and for creating a pull request, I only need a change that fits roads or dashboard, and I can push the branch. Then in the pull request section of the GitHub, you will see something like this. You must to fork this project, you're not maintainer of the project directly, so you must fork this project, and then in the pull request section of your project you will see the compare and pull request. You must take care and you must point your branch, it is your branch, to our master branch. Take care of the which repository will you point. Then write some description for us. We will review your code and we will talk about what you did. Thank you for watching this video and willing to contribute. If you like the video, if you interest the video, please like it. And if you interest the project, please star here on the GitHub. Thank you. Goodbye.